This is baby Ryan's hiccups. What is it, day 4? Are you alive for 4 days already? My goodness, how the time flies. Yeah, we're just laying here at the doctor's office waiting for Mama. And then we're gonna go home and have some more sleep time. Right? Dada's trying to put you to sleep with some fish songs. We call it putting you to sleep, but we're just indoctrinating you, right? We're indoctrinating you. We're singing you, we're bobbing on the surface, and the shadow glides below. They say she feels my heartbeat. Oh, but how I'll never know. We're bobbing on the surface, and the shadow glides below. They say she feels my heartbeat. Oh, but how I'll never know. That is the ocean flowing in our veins. Oh, that is the salt that's in our tears. Oh, 'cause we could have come so very far. Oh, in at least as many years. Take the highway. Look at those little feet. Little scrawny chicken legs. Through the great divide. Okay. We'll take more video later. I'm sure this is not your last bout of hiccups. Okay. Say bye-bye, Ryan. Have I bored you? Are you falling asleep now? My plot worked.